The greatest of the things that we've seen achieved are not things that happens overnight. They are things which needs determination, commitment, and a long-term view. And I'm sure you are here because you have put in a lot of time in your understanding, in setting your goals, and you've decided that, well, engineering or medicine or pharmacy, one of this is what you're really taking. Well, I want to today talk to you about the goals that you have and to ask you whether do you see yourself in a place 5 years from today, 3 years from today, knowing that your goals are fulfilled. If you had the opportunity to look into the future, if you had the opportunity to just close your eyes for a moment and to see the future, how would the future look like? How is it bright? Do you see yourself in your dream college? Do you see yourself working hard, struggling, fighting, smooth? How do you see yourself? This visualization is important. Well, by the way, what is your dream college that you're looking to get into? Whichever is your dream college and whatever stream that you're looking onto, whether it's VJTI, whether it's COEP, whether it's the ICT, whichever is it, whether it's in Nagpur, Sangli, Mumbai, jahan ka bhi ho. To get into this dream college, you should be having at least 160, at least 180. इस range के बीच में अगर आप लेके आते हो तो I think it's easy to get in. And the way that you get in is by solving more papers. How many papers are you willing to solve? How many papers are you willing to study? There's a difference between solving the paper and studying the paper. I encourage you do both. The right balance is important. Study the paper, solve the paper. When you solve the paper, get it evaluated, get it examined, and get into it all over again. And if you really see in the previous video, I have shared with you the test series link in the description. Even in this video, you will be having it. That's available free for only some time. It will be gone when it's gone, but before it's gone, make sure you take benefit of it. Well, I want to also tell you that success is a habit, and it's a habit that you keep doing every day. There are days that you will miss it. There are days that you will fall. There are days that you will skip, but that's okay. The sooner you come back are the days that you are stronger. It's never it's going to be possible that anything is straight one-sided up. There's going to be ups and downs and downs and ups. That's proof enough that we are alive. Isn't that the way our heartbeats are? Isn't that the way life is? Everything is so curvy linear. I want to tell you that there are days when you will go down, but make sure those are the very days you tell people and yourself that you will see me fall, but never dead there. I will rise because I'm human by nature, and that's the potential I hold, to rise and to rise again each time I fall, each time I fail. So there could be a Monday and Tuesday I'm committed, determined, doing great, but there could be a Wednesday where I'm down, weak, bad, low, whatever. But the Thursday I will rise again. Friday I will fight again. Saturday I may go down again. The ability to bounce back, the ability to come back as soon as you can is the secret of success. And I think that's the best kept secret of the most successful people. It's what you do and how much more you can do in every moment. You know, I was looking at this math which says 0.99 raised to 365 is giving a figure of 0.02551. And if I change this with something as small as this much, इसमें फर्क कितना है ना, negligible फर्क है, but the moment I do this I get to see the compounding effect of this much. So imagine सिर्फ मामूली सा फर्क, if I change and I continue for 365 days, it moves from 0.03 to close to 37.7. Imagine the compounding effect that you get. That's the secret, right? The secret of compounding, the little investments that you're willing to do on yourself. It could be push-ups. Imagine if you increase one push-up every day. By the end of the year, you will be able to do a lot more from where you started. Now, that's a miracle. The ability to do 5 extra MCQs today. Imagine at the end of the day, end of the year, where do you achieve? The success, the formula for success is the ability to do a little more every day than yesterday. But again, in the law of average, there are days when you will fall, but that's okay. Fight and come back. Imagine that formula, a little change every day. That's the secret which you will keep in your heart from now till the rest of your life. A little more. And where do you put this little more? You put this in your conceptual learning, you put this in your test series, you put this in every aspect of your life, in the right books. Well, just to let you know that on Meritstore, if you go to see on the channel, there is a new course for the MHCET student. It's a course to study MHCET and to score the highest in the next little days that you have. Do visit meritstore.in, see how it is. And if you have a question, put it down in the description. You can ask me this on Instagram as well. All the very best, do well, and have a great life.